Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today, we'll be solving this question which states that a man traveled from village A on the bearing of 60 degrees to village B, which is 20 kilometers away. From village B, he traveled to village C on the bearing of 195 degrees. If village C is directly east of village A, find the solution of the triangle ABC. So solution. So now we are going to, this is a bearing question. Since it's a bearing question, we have to draw a diagram. We can't solve it without the diagram. So as we are reading the question, we'll be drawing the diagram. So the question says, so we'll be drawing the diagram now. A man traveled from village A. So let me see this village A. On the bearing of 60 degrees. So since it's bearing, you have to put north, south, east, west. So this is from A. So here to somewhere is 60 degrees. So we'll draw a line. So this is how to draw a bearing diagram. So from village A on the bearing of 60 degrees, so it will be from here to somewhere. So we'll draw a line. So we'll say here is 60 degrees. So now to village B. So this is the direction of village where A is going to village B. So here will be B. So this is B. Which is 20 kilometers away. So here is 20 kilometers. From village B, he traveled to village C on the bearing. He traveled to village C on the bearing of 195 degrees. And bearing normally is measured from the North Pole. This one, from the North Pole, this is north, south, west, and here is east. So bearing is usually measured from the North Pole, this North Pole. From this North Pole, it is measured in clockwise direction to any specified direction. So bearing is always measured from the North Pole in clockwise direction to any of the direction that was specified. So here it was specified 60, so that's why I was moving from north. We moved from North Pole to 60 degrees. Here now it said on the bearing of 195 degrees. On the bearing of 195 degrees. So that means we will move from this North Pole, 195, to the direction of 195 degrees. So this is the North Pole. We're moving in clockwise direction. Don't move in anti-clockwise. Bearing is usually done. The angle of bearing is usually measured from the North Pole in clockwise direction to the direction that was specified. So here 195 was specified. So here if we move, here is 180. So we'll move, then 15 degrees added. So it will be something here. So here will be 180 degrees. Then here is 15 degrees. So it will be here, somewhere here. So we draw it. So here is 15. This small one is 15. And if village C is directly east, if village C is directly east of village A, that means village C here is directly east of village A. And you see here is the east, so it will be definitely on this straight line. So it will be here on this straight line. So this is C and is directly east of A. So these are the coordinates. So you know that now, since here is 15 degrees, here will also be 15 degrees due to alternate angles. And here is 90 degrees. So that means here automatically is what? 105. Here is 105 degrees. Then here is 90 minus 60 because here is 90 degrees. So 90 minus 60 is what? 30. Then here you just find the sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So if you subtract the sum of this from 180, you get this. So let's do that. So now CBA. So you can say that this is all due to alternate angles, and this is 90. So let's put it in writing. So BAC, let me say angle BAC is equal to what? 90. That is BAC is equals to 90 minus 60, which is 30 degrees. Then this, so this is right angle because the reason is right angle. Then here is what? That is BCA. BCA is what? 90 plus 15 degrees. This 15 is a result of alternate angles, which is equal to 105 degrees. So this is BAC. BAC is what? Is 30 degrees. Then BCA is 105 degrees. Now, to find this one, ABC, to find ABC, this one, ABC is equal to 180 degrees minus the sum of these two, 30 plus 105, because that's because of sum of angles in a triangle. This stands for angles, this is triangle. So then this becomes what? 180 minus 30 minus 105 is 45 degrees. So this one is 45 degrees. So that means here is 45 degrees. So now the question says we should find the solution of the triangle ABC. We have solved all the inner angles. Now remaining, for this triangle to be fully defined, we need to find here and here, these two sides, and we'll use sine rule to do that. So according to sine rule, AC over sine 45 equal to this AC, the side opposite to this, should be equal to BC over sine 30 to be equal to 20 over sine 105. Degrees, these degrees. So this is sine rule. So now to find AC and BC, we will take this and equate it to this, and we'll take this and equate it to this individually. So we'll solve it 2-2. So the first one is AC over sine 45 equals to 20 over sine 105. So this becomes what? This becomes what? This becomes AC is equal to sine 45 times 20 over sine 105. So if you so AC now is equal to what? What is sine 45? Sine 45 is 0.7071. What is sine 105? 105 is 0.9659. 0.771 times 20 divided by 0.9659 is 14.64. 14.64. So AC is equals to 14.64, and the unit they used is kilometer. 14.64 kilometer. Approximately. And this second one, we say BC over sine 30 equals to 20 over sine 105. Then BC is what? 20 times sine 30 over sine 105. So we know that sine 30 is 0.5, sine 105 is this 0.9659 to be 20 times 0.5 over 0.9659, 10.35 approximately. So BC is equal to 10.35 kilometer approximately. So we have found AC, we have found BC. So AC is 14.64, AC is 14.64 kilometer, and this is BC is 10.35 kilometer. So AC is 14.64 kilometer, and BC is what? 10.35. So this is the final answers, and we have solved this triangle ABC. So this is how to draw a bearing diagram, and this is how to solve the triangle. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email it in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.